Hi, today for the Nokia C31 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and after that here in the search bar we should enter Green Apple Keyboard. So now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download in and then installing on our device. Now we should tap to open the app, click enable in settings, and near Green Apple Keyboard let's tap on the switcher, tap twice to OK and go back, then click to switch input method, switch your currently keyboard to the Green Apple Keyboard. The process is finished now, so let's see the search. Let's open it just to check the new look of our keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as the all of these emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.